This is the spectacular view what we are viewing right now. Trust me guys, it is really beautiful. I cannot express my feelings right now. Guys, trust me, this is the most amazing place which I have visited till date, and this is really beautiful. Sorry. So we are heading towards something, we don't know what that is. It's a Fairmount lounge, so probably you can eat or have a kind of coffee or something here. I'm definitely sure we're gonna have something. And you can see the sun shining as well. It is lovely. Oh, this is the second snowman. Hello. Okay, we are heading towards the another shore of the same lake. So that was the view that was the place where we were standing first, and we are getting this kind of view. Now we are going to another side of the lake. This is beautiful.
See the cloud which is on the mountains. Hello, now we are leaving the Lake Louise and we are heading towards Banff.
This is the spectacular view what we are viewing right now. Trust me guys, it is really beautiful. I cannot express my feelings right now, but each side you can see a river on the right side. You can see beautiful mountains. You can see all around a lot of snow and everything is white. I really love it. Trust me guys, this is really beautiful and this is amazing as well. So I really hope that you guys are enjoying the video and you hope doing so as well. So we were at Lake Louise till now. Now we are back heading back towards Banff, and we were planning to go to Banff Gondola. So let's see if we can make it out. Otherwise there is a plan of course to go to Banff Gondola as well, which is more of like a ropeway in India, we call it a cable car or something. So probably that's what we are heading. And this is where we are right now. This is the beautiful sun, and see the weather guys, it's really beautiful. It's snowing also, and this is it. This is beautiful. And I don't know, for some reason the crow in Canada, they are really big. So just have a look at the size of this crow. I don't know whether they are called a crow or not, but they are really huge. So stay tuned, you're gonna see more crows and more mountains. So if you are pure veg and if you are a vegetarian, then don't hesitate. You will get the vegetarian food always. And we are vegetarian as well, so we always prefer McD. We go to McDonald's and eat our food. So you will get it definitely. Don't worry about any kind of food. But we had carried a lot of food with us, so we don't starve. So that's the reason we have carried a lot of food with us. We have parked our car here. We are heading towards the beautiful Bow Falls. So we are going towards that. It's a beautiful forest here. This is so relaxing. This is the walk path beside the falls. So you can see downstairs, the falls is just there. So we are heading towards another view as well. So if you just see down, what you are looking at is like this. The fall is still continued, and we have walked about nearly 500 to 600 meters. There's still a walkway, and long way you can see the falls are there as well. So starting from there, going down. This is from where we came up. You see the mouth of the river. The view of Fairmount Hotel from the falls. So from the walkway also you can see the hotel view. And if you're staying in Fairmount, of course, it's gonna be one of the beautiful stay as well.
Yes, now we are going back to Calgary to our home. So stay tuned.
Finally, we have reached home safely. This was the first time we taken a risk, and it was really successful. We liked it. We enjoyed Banff. Hope you have enjoyed the video as well. So do like, subscribe, and share. Put down any comments you have, put down any questions you have, put down in the comments below. We'll definitely get back to you on that, and hopefully we'll come up with more videos, guys. Do like, because that is the way we get the motivation from you. So do try to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a good night. Bye bye.